Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw from KuCoin to bank account. In order to do this, you first have to launch your KuCoin mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you've successfully logged in, you are going to see this assets tab in the bottom right hand corner. So you need to tap on assets and then by default you will be on this overview page. Now over here you need to tap on funding in the top and then you will be able to see the withdrawal option in this section. So you need to tap on withdrawal and then you will be landed on this crypto page. Now the first method to withdraw your cryptos from KuCoin to bank account is that you just have to select that particular crypto which you want to transfer, and you can transfer that crypto on any other exchange like on Binance, and from there you can transfer your money into your bank account. Now the second method is that you will have to tap on the fiat option in the top, and here you will be able to see a bunch of different fiat currencies like Euro, GBP, USD, etc. So you will have to select that particular fiat currency that you want to use to initiate your transfer. For this video, let's say I want to do it on USD. So after selecting USD, you will be redirected on the next page where you need to provide the amount that you want to transfer. After that, you just have to select the bank account option and then you just have to confirm your withdrawal. This way you will be able to get your money from KuCoin to bank account directly. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.